I'm Wes Crowther out of Tucson, Arizona. I grew up around trucking in the industry. Dad had started driving when he was 15 in the Logwoods, Arizona, and grew up around it. Never really thought I would really get into it. I followed construction more. Did that for years after high school. And the economy tanked and work started getting slow. The old man got sick. He was having a hard time running the truck. So I thought maybe I'd get my CDL and take over. He bought this truck in 2000 and it sat for a few years, and about 2010 he started rebuilding it and put it back to work. He ran propane with it around Arizona. And then he ended up leasing it on to Landstar. And not long after that, he got sick. And we were talking, and I said, you know, hey, I could go get my license, and maybe I could take over the truck. And man, he got a kick out of that. He knew that being a truck driver was a career to be proud of. And when he went on with Landstar and went back on the road, he was really disappointed. He said, it ain't like it used to be. He said, they just ain't like it used to be. He ran over the road for Roadrunner in the early 80s for a little while, and when he went back, he got a kick out of it, and he really got a kick out of the comments he would get on his truck and the facts that it was roadworthy enough to take cross country. I went and get my license, got on with a flatbed company, and I was on a trainer truck, and 3 weeks into that, I got the phone call. He was terminally ill with cancer, and he wasn't gonna make it. So I flew home out of Philadelphia, and he didn't live a week after that. But he told my sisters and the family that he wanted me to have the truck.